Whoa!
Watching it explode.
You got it going.
Ours was the coolest of all.
Put some more vinegar in it.
Okay.
Boom.